A normal person would think that the only way to make money in meme coins is by trading meme coins. But what the smart people are doing is they are creating the meme coins for people to trade. So again, there's two ways you can make money in meme coins. You could trade meme coins and you could develop meme coins. Now there's so many ways you could develop a coin, but it's gotten easier and easier. Now you don't have to code, you don't have to do anything else for the coin. You just have to follow the tutorial that I'm going to be showing you today, and you could go ahead and create your own coin, launch your own coin that people can trade on any platform they're using. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen right now and we are on Axiom. Axiom is the best Solana trading platform out there right now. If you're not on Axiom, click the link down in the description and you could save 10% off on fees and you'll get access to Axiom Pro. So do make sure to click the link in the description and join Axiom if you're not on there already. So first of all, we're going to be talking about how and where we launch these meme coins. So first of all, you see on Axiom, there's this tab called Pulse, and this is where you will see this kind of section split into 3 different sections. So we could see on the left, we have new pairs. So these are the new coins that people are launching. So this is the most recent coins. This is where our coin is going to show up. Final stretch is the coin that people have picked up. There's some kind of momentum going on. People are trading this coin and it's starting to gain some kind of traction. And on the migrated is the coins that already have traction and they have reached the bonding curve and they have migrated and moved on to this section. So again, a lot of new pairs come in. A few of them make the final stretch and only a few make it migrated, and so on. So there's many ways to create a meme coin. The way we're going to be using in this video is by going to pump.fun. This is by far the easiest method I know of, and this is going to get your meme coin live in just a few clicks, just a few steps, and you're gonna have your meme coin tradable on Axiom or whatever platform you're using. So we're gonna head over to pump.fun. Again, this is where the coins are created, and we could see on the top right we have this section called create coin. So this on the bottom we have all the new movers, and let's click create a coin, and you'll see this section over here: coin name, coin ticker, description, social link, mayhem mode, and also your logo as well. So the coin we are going to create should be following the current meta that is in the meme coin market right now. We could see there is this popular meme coin meta going on, degen, and even if we look at the movers, let's go back to home of pump.fun, we could see this kind of characters, the maxi, these characters, the degen, the gunner, there's a lot more, the Cooper, the hodler, and there's tons of these coins. So let's see if we could make a similar meme coin like this. I think I saw one of the devs, so let's try creating a coin of the devs. Now after you have that, you could click this and drag in your profile picture or the token logo, whatever. I found this funny picture related to the current meta going on right now, so let's go ahead and use that. We're gonna call it the dev. Or a social, we could put in the link of knowyourmeme.com and this doomer right here, because this is kind of related to what we are doing, is just a different version of the doomer. So we could add social links. Let's add a website right here, just to so it shows up better on this right here. So mayhem mode, we won't do that. It's basically increases price volume active for 24 hours. So if you only want the coin active for 24 hours, you could go ahead and enable this, but we're not going to be doing that. And once you have everything set and ready to go, the dev, we have the know your meme right here, and for the description, the doomer dev. So I think that should be a pretty good description. So once you have everything ready to go, click on create coin, and here it's gonna ask you how much of the coin do you want to buy. So you as the developer, how much do you want? So for this example, we're just gonna set it to like 0.02 Solana, and we'll have this many dev tokens. So pretty much we're good to go. Let's go ahead and create coin. So we're just gonna wait for that to happen. We're just gonna approve our transaction right here, and let's see if it shows up right here. So if we look at our Axiom right here, we could see it has shown up, and you can go ahead and view our token right here. Let's see if we could get any trading volume. If not, we're totally good. Let's create view coin. So we have 3.8k. We have, let's see how much we have, about 0.2, so almost the same thing. Squad, we ride this way for real. Who's in? Now again, you could keep holding if you are getting more and more volume, but I'm just gonna go ahead and sell this real quick, because again, we have our creator rewards as well, which is our fixed profit. No matter if we make money or lose on this coin, we will have our creator rewards right here on the left, and we could go ahead and sell this coin. Again, if you got trading volume, that's even better. That's when your coin is gonna take off, because again, you are the first buyer of this coin. You bought it at like 3-4k whatever, and that will be the best thing, best position you could ever hold. And let's go ahead and click sell dab. We could confirm that. So we have sold our coin. So that right here is how you could create, buy, and sell your own coin. Again, very easy to do. You could keep repeating this process however many times you want. Again, and if your coin takes off, you can make a lot of money, because again, you're essentially the first buyer in the coin. You have the lowest position of all, and the upward limit is just infinity. It could go as high as it wants. So again, creating a coin is very easy. You could either trade meme coins or create your own, so you decide which one's better for you. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, I taught you how you could go ahead and create your own meme coin. Now again, it's not as hard as it sounds. You don't have to develop a coin, you don't have to code or anything like that. You just have to go through the simple process to create your own meme coin. So if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.